Good day everyone. So before I start, I will introduce myself. First, my name is Genis Laurente. So today I'm going to tackle about the indigenous crop out coconut shell. Introduction. Coconut palm, scientifically named Cocos nocifera, is a revered tropical tree celebrated for its versatility, economic value, and cultural significance originating okay, from the Indo-Pacific region. It has proliferated across tropical and subtropical coastal region globally, flourishing in sandy and saline environment. The scientific name of coconut palm is Cocos nocifera. Ang coconut palm is importante ni siya sa atoa nga mga tao tungod kay kining coconut palm is dako nagtabang sa panginabuhi sa mga tao. Ug part na po ni siya sa atoang culture. So ang kaning coconut palm is nagikan ni siya sa Indo-Pacific ngaming katag ni siya or midaghan nasa karon sa kadaghanon sa tropical o subtropical na mga lugar labi na sa mga baybayon. Mostly ang kaning coconut palm is makita ni siya nato sa dagat. Next, the coconut shell, the top outer layer of the coconut fruit, is prized for its durability and versatility. Without history, it has been used across cultures to create a wide range of items, from utensil to musical instrument, due to its resilience and resistance to decay. Coconut shell are valued for their high energy content, making the gives its renewable nature and lower environmental impact. Both the coconut palm and its shell symbolize resilience, adaptability, and sustainable resource use, providing livelihood and sustenance to many communities worldwide. So, ang coconut shell mao na siya ang lig-o na panit sa kanang lubi. So kani siya kusog ay ni siya paliton kay tungod daghan siya ganang magamitan. So ang coconut shell ginagamit ni siya sa lain-lain na mga culture sa paghimo sa mga butang like kanang kutsara or plato ug mga instrumento sa musika. Kay tungod sa lig-on og dili dali madaot ni. Ang kaning shell sa lubi taas po ni siya og kanang energy content kay so ang kining coconut shell nagrepresent pud ni siya sa kakusog, flexible og sakto ang paggamit sa natural nga resources ug naghatag pud ni siya og panginabuhi o pagkaon sa mga community.
So, here are some list of ideas for purposing coconut shells. First is container. Use the coconut shell to keep trinkets, treasures, and small items. Things to keep inside might include rubber bands, case, toys, pens and pencils, twist ties, and your stash of used. Plant holder. Grow a small plant in a coconut shell. While half a coconut shell can work, having it cut about 3/4 of its height is usually the best size for the coconut shell plant holder. Drill or pierce some drainage holes in the shell base first and line with the sphagnum moss. Basket. A sweet idea for the bird feeder, and have a string or light rope to form a hanging handle. Use a coconut cut for your herbs and flowers, freshly laid eggs, and seeds from your garden. Candle holder. If you like making your own candles, use coconut shell as a container into which you tip the wax. Keep the wick centered and it will be a great candle for many hours. Bowl. As a bowl, the shell can hold anything you like. A fun thing to try is a bowl of nuts still in the shells.
Origin of coconut palm. The coconut palm mostly grows on saline soil near beaches and tropical habitats. Authorities claim that the coconut palm tree became popular from the Southeast Asia region, while another theory suggests its origin in the northwest of South America. Its spread has been attributed to two key factors. The natural disposal happened as coconut floated from shore to shore. Coconuts are thick but light, which can travel months on seawater.
Good day, everyone. I will continue the discussion. Coconut shell handicraft. In an ancient times, crafting objectives from the coconut shell was initially practiced by coconut farmers. They would scope the copra and use the shell, which was waste or byproducts. It is known to be a craft. The shell is carved out and experimented with by craftsmen in Kerala. Coconut shell craft is gaining popularity in recent times. This craft has been traced down in Iraq almost 900 years ago. India Sutras strives to teach this skill to move and more craftsmen and wants to popularize it. Coconut shell products that are crafted in India are mostly from South Indian state where majority coconut plants can be found in abundance. The craft of making decorative and useful product from coconut shells is widely practiced in India. States like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and coastal regions have lots of skills artisans for making coconut shell products. Coconut trees are widely grown and found in Kerala. Fossil coconuts have been found in New Zealand apart from India. Coconut shell products have gained popularity only in the last few decades. The craft is gaining popularity all over the world. The coconut shell products are usually manufactured and crafted in Kerala. Few regions in Kolkata around Kozhikode, other places include Goa, Andaman, and Nicobar Islands, and Tamil Nadu. This craft owes to an abundance of coconut trees in Kerala. Regions of production, coconut shell and woodcraft are primarily used in Kerala, around Kolkata and Kozhikode. Availability of coconut shell craft has white metal involved to make artifacts.
My assigned topic is all about why choose coconut shell. Coconut shell, which was primarily considered waste, can be used as a raw product and byproduct for creating handicraft for decorative and utility purposes. The best part about coconut shell is that they are hard and durable. They don't break very easily and long last enough. It is not only a natural product but is also 100% eco-friendly and sustainable. This product also don't contribute to the clogging of drain in the monsoon or the breeding of mosquito. Next is process of making coconut shell. The coconut collected are the different size. A mature coconut is chosen because it is lignin, eliminating any chance of germs breeding. The kernel part of removed and is cleaned to get the shell. The shell is sanded several times to get a smooth finish. So after they are sanded, the shell are cut into desired shape and size with the help of a capping saw. The design is marked with a marker and then the capping saw is used to create design on the coconut shell.
Good day everyone, I will continue the discussion. How to use coconut shell craft sustainable. Coconut shell resemble wood as is a sustainable substitute. The properties of the shell make it eco-friendly. Coconut shells are abundantly available in the coastal areas and are very inexpensive and are completely biodegradable. The procedure requires tools and sandpaper for polishing. There is no use of any artificial color and substances. The special coating is used sometimes to get a more polished look, but that that is done only for decorative items. The main waste that is derived from this process is coconut dust, powder, and chips. This coconut powder is used for making incense stick. No artificial ingredients are used for the same, because of which these items are in demand. The chips, after cutting and carving the coconut shells, are used innovatively by the artisans. They use it for decorative home items, create texture using these chips. The coconut husk is also used as foil.
Good day everyone. I will continue the discussion. Use of coconut shell product. Coconut shell is used to make different items like desktop, accessories, and lifestyle product. Paperweight, mobile stand, and serving bowls. You can find this product in manufactured store who can find good quality and finished coconut shell product. Another huge scope that these products have been in foreign countries manufactured focus on premium clients who need good quality coconut shell products with a sizable market. Online market like Indian Sutra are also helping this traditional product get good reach in market sector. Coconut shell can be used to make every product that is not only eco-friendly but is also durable, being lightweight. Nowadays, this is increasing awareness to use green and sustainable project, mainly handcraft manufacture, creating unique design coconut shell product like coconut shell, furniture, keychains, and other items. Base items are now getting very popular on demand, which keep increasing with items. Striking future of this art from this study, coconut shell can be used from home decor and jewelry.
Good morning, everyone. So the last topic is all about famous coconut shell artists in the Philippines. Is Bernadette Solina Wolf. Bernadette Solina Wolf graduated with a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree from the University of the Philippines. She taught visual arts at the Philippines at High School for the Arts and Makiling and was one of the founding members of ang Ilustrador ng Kabataan.